today we'll try to configure error handling for asynchronous invocation. Today this is the hands-on video. So in order to do that, you go to Lambda. You go to here, you'll find you should choose your Lambda function. If you don't have any Lambda functions, you should go to create function. I will not go through how to create a specific function because we had a dedicated video on how to create a function, but it's just a pretty straightforward. Just to put the name and choose your runtime, and after that just create a function. It's pretty simple. So you go to the function, you choose the configuration. Okay, so in the configuration you should choose asynchronous invocation, this one. Okay, and inside the asynchronous invocation you can edit it. So here you can just edit two things: the maximum event, which is the maximum event is the maximum amount of time Lambda retains an event in the asynchronous event queue, and we have up to 6 hours. Right now it's up to 6 hours. You can just change MK 4, 3, 6, whatever you want. And you have the attempts to retry, how many retries, the number of times retries when the functions returns an error. It's between 0 and 2. You can just play with them. And you just hit save. After that, we have a dead letter queue, and we will talk about the dead letter queue in the dedicated video. But for your information, you should know, in order to manage and in order to change how the invocations and how the error handling works for the asynchronous invocation, you can edit this. You can edit the maximum age of the event from 4 to 6, and you can edit the retry attempts, so it will be between 0 and 2. So that's it for this video. It's pretty straightforward. After you finish, you just hit save, but I don't want to finish it. I don't want to change anything, so I will not hit save. So I will leave it as it is. And in the future videos, we will talk about the destinations, and after that, we talk about how to add the dead letter queue to our Lambda function. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problem.